Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today, I've got a hot button issue to break down for you. On February 21st, 2025, Maine's Democratic Governor Janet Mills went head-to-head with former President Donald Trump at the White House. And let me tell you, it was explosive. So, what's the beef about? Well, Trump slammed Mills for defying his executive order that bans transgender women from competing in women's and girls' sports. He even went as far as threatening to withhold federal funding from Maine if she didn't comply. Trump claimed that people in Maine don't want men playing in women's sports. Big words, right? But Mills wasn't having any of it. She fired back, saying Maine is complying with both state and federal laws. When Trump doubled down, insisting his executive order was the law of the land, Mills dropped the ultimate mic. See you in court. What's this executive order all about anyway? Trump's order hangs on Title IX, a 1972 civil rights law that bans sex-based discrimination in federally funded education programs. Trump's administration interprets sex as the gender you're assigned at birth, which means transgender women are out of luck in women's sports under this order, and if organizations don't get in line, they risk losing federal funds. This impacts transgender women in particular, who just want to compete fairly in women's sports. The NCAA even updated its policies to fall in line with Trump's order. But Mills, standing firm, issued a statement saying she's ready to take legal action if Trump makes good on his threat to cut federal funding. She made it crystal clear that Maine won't be bullied. Now, interestingly, even some Republicans are siding with Mills. Maine Senator Susan Collins, for instance, opposed Trump's threat, arguing that Maine deserves its fair share of federal funding. Collins respects transgender individuals, but also emphasized the original intent of Title IX. This clash isn't an isolated incident. The Trump administration has a track record of suing states and cities that they believe are defying federal law. Mills, who is Maine's first female governor and was the state's first female attorney general, is no stranger to legal battles. Adding fuel to the fire, a transgender athlete recently won a pole vaulting competition in Maine just days before this confrontation. This victory reignited the debate, especially since the athlete had competed in the men's category just 2 years ago. So, what's next? It looks like this issue is heading to the courts, and you can bet it's going to be a fierce legal battle. Keep it here for more updates on this developing story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay informed. Thanks for watching.